Wall Street extends its bullish run as the tone for earnings season keeps buyers in the market. The Dow closes above 15,000 for the first time in history. The S&P 500 closes at a historic peak for the fourth day running, and the Nasdaq squeezes out a gain. After the close, Walt Disney posting better than expected results, the entertainment conglomerate enjoying higher revenues for its parks and recreation units, as well as its studio and media operations, although operating income for its broadcast business was down. Shares of Disney rising to an all-time high, with Iron Man 3 set to break box office records. Oil and natural gas producer EOG Resources topped quarterly forecast thanks to higher domestic production. EOG surged 7.6% and brought equipment maker Caterpillar along for the ride. Microsoft is planning a major update to Windows 8 by the end of the year. It's been 6 months since the launch and the sale of 100 million licenses, but the software has not been well received by consumers. On the economic front, Americans are pulling out their credit cards less, according to data by the Federal Reserve. Meanwhile, job openings steady between February and March at 3.8 million, suggesting little progress when it comes to hiring. But Tanya Lane of Adecco, the world's largest staffing company, says U.S. employers are taking on more temporary staff.
They're now opening up some of their hiring budgets. Some of them are still maybe a little cautious and not hiring full-time, so they're bringing on somebody in a temporary capacity. A lot of positions that maybe at one point over the last 2-3 years were maybe eliminated or downsized, they're bringing some contingent labor in to help offset that. So I think we're seeing a lot of that continue to open up for opportunities that eventually we're seeing turn into full-time positions.
As for Europe, Adecco says it is starting to see signs of stabilization in southern Europe. Finishing up with the markets now, the German DAX set a record close of its own as stocks climbed higher across the board.